I named this episode as a last hope for the Bitcoin, and there's a reason for that. In today's episode, let's break down Bitcoin, and something really very interesting is happening. Bitcoin is gaining more and more emotions. The traders are getting really crazy. So in today's episode, let's break down what is actually happening. So let's deep dive into the charts and let's talk about Bitcoin. So what we are seeing a really crazy scenario right now, because basically look at this, how the chart looks like. The chart looks like, or we're gonna hold this level. The strongest for now is the strongest support, and let me measure it much more specific and much more exact for you to understand. So basically we have here some impulse, right? After the impulse we have a correction, and right now it seems like we are in correction. This correction has its own level. So if we're gonna take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning and the end of this impulse over here, you can see how beautifully we are coming to 0.5 to 0.6 area, right? So let me mark it, that area once again. So basically what is the targets? Our target is from 0.3 to 0.6 by Fibonacci, and usually price hits 0.5 to 0.6. So this is the area where the usually Bitcoin comes, right? And this is why it's getting really interesting, because here's like two major scenarios happening to the Bitcoin, and this is the two major scenarios which one the traders right now are dealing with, right? But when you have your own plan, it's much more easier, and I'm gonna break down and show you how it is. So basically first target is for us this one, right? If the price right now will create for us some kind of bullish signs, which one we're gonna deep dive in a smaller time frame, and I'm gonna show you as well. But here is very important to bounce. If we're not gonna bounce, the targets which one is opening for us right now, let me show you this target. If we're gonna break down it by waves, here's the wave 1, 2, 3, and if we're gonna fall over here, the most likely the charts is telling us that they're gonna be the continuation of the fourth wave, and the fourth wave, it means retest of the lower prices, and that lower prices, if we're gonna take here Fibonacci's, right, and put like this, we have a targets as 0.5 to 0.6 over here, right? So basically we didn't touch that 0.5, 0.6 area, and this is why we have still more space to go. And if we're gonna fall from here and straightly go into this beautiful zone, which is called 55 to $52,000, which is really juicy to buy. So basically it's really juicy to make some financial decisions over there, right? And of course I'm gonna call if the price gonna fall there. And really guys, this is really funny, because basically what is happening, there's a lot of emotions right now. It's these targets where we are right now, right? It's very, very important level, and if we're gonna fall, the most likely this 52,000 level, which one I was talking about in the previous videos. I was telling you that guys, be ready for that one. Even we was longing and all other things, we was opening some longs over here, we are in the profit. I closed my long positions for now, and right now in this small zone I'm expecting and waiting for more confirmation that the price go higher, right? This is what I'm for confirmation, for bullish confirmations over here, right? But if it's not gonna come and we fall like there's no tomorrow, that's actually possible as well, right? Then the target as a 55, 52k is opening, and that's gonna be really, really very, very cool. So right now what we are seeing locally, right, and what kind of scenario we are treating before we falling there. So before it happens, this is just an illusion, that's not a reality, right? Reality we have here, and about this reality I want to talk about today as well. Here you can see wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something such kind of, right? Beautiful 5 impulsive wave structure, which one we have all moral rights to treat it as a 5 impulsive waves here. And after that there's the correction, which one happening right now, and we entered into the zone of high attention. Right now we have still space to go lower, but what we want to see, first of all, we are seeing on a small, or we need to deep dive in a smaller time frame, and let's see what is actually happening here. What we want to see, we want to see this splash of volumes in the zone of high attention. We need the confirmation candles that there are some reversal candles and we are ready to go higher. We want to see increases volumes, that when the volumes start to increases, price start to increases, something such kind of harmonious upward movement, right? So if it's gonna happen, if we're gonna see some more confirmations, I'm gonna call that long in my Telegram channel. So don't forget to join in, the link in the description below, guys. Really, here I'm calling everything, whatever you need for successful trading, all the tips, calls, everything what I'm doing on the market is pretty cool over there. So basically what we are seeing right now, we entered into the zone of high attention. We are seeing locally a splash of volumes. Yes, there's a one check over there is happening, right? Plus we can see that price start to step by step actually increases, right? And volumes as well start to increases, right? That's a good sign actually. That's not basically for 1000% happening right now, but still from the zone of high attention. This is why it's called the zone of high attention. We need to be really very, very careful and mindful and carefully watch the charts if there's the signs for reversal. Plus, I want to show you that on 1 hour time frame as well, not 1 hour time frame, 5 hour time frame, we can see beautiful divergences, right, on the MACD and RSI. That's a really good. This is bullish divergence when the price is decreasing and the MACD is showing opposite things, right? And RSI as well showing us some divergence. So first of all, we entered into zone of high attention. That's true. Plus we are seeing some divergences as well, right? Plus we are seeing already locally the trend line, the yellow trend line crosses this column. So basically we are trading above the trend line. So this is also very good confirmation for longs. Plus you can see what? You can see extreme candles. Look at this. This candle, the body, right, is smaller than previous one, and this candle as well. So you can see those kind of extreme candles, MFI squatting combination, which is actually forms when there is some kind of reversal scenarios happening. So basically we have all moral rights right now to looking for the longs, right? And we are expecting that scenario that most likely maybe we're gonna go higher. One thing, what is stopping me? That was the divergence. Can we see the divergence or not? On Coinbase, we actually see this divergence as well. The price is decreasing, volume step by step increases. That's unharmonious market move. It's which indicates us that volumes are increasing, and this is unharmonious market move, and most likely we're gonna see some kind of reaction from there. So this is why this level, which one we are seeing over here, we already have some bullish confirmation step by step, right? We are seeing some really good, basically good longs right now. But this is, I would say, the last hope, because basically if this level is not work out, we have a way, the Bitcoin opens the way to the 55, 52K at least I'm talking about, right? This is at least because the price actually can go even lower. But before that, this is the last hope for the Bitcoin. If we're gonna see some bounce, gonna be really cool. If not gonna see, then we're gonna go lower, and most likely the Bitcoin will give us some great opportunities to accumulate Bitcoin over there. Right now I want to switch to the Ethereum. A lot of you are interested in what is happening to Ethereum. Look at this as well. We entered in a beautiful zone of high attention. Look at these possible longs, right? We are seeing everything. The targets is reached as well. You can see that volume start to increases, prices decreases. All the confirmations that basically chart looks really bullish. But do not forget, this is just analysis, just a probability. The even if the 5-6 condition matches, there is still some chance that it won't go in that direction which one you want, so right? So this is why you must to be really careful and basically just do the proper risk management, and everything will be fine. Because if you're gonna do the proper risk management, the probability if it's not gonna work out, you're gonna lose a little bit. If it's gonna work out, you're gonna put some candies in your pocket. So please do the proper risk management, and remember that the trading is very risky one, and that's the thing you need to learn first. You need to educate, and only after that put your money into the account. So thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, if you like the way how I look at the market, please subscribe to the channel, press that likes, leave some comments. That motivates me a lot, guys. Share your knowledge, share your opinion about the Bitcoins and all the things. This is just my opinion. This is just my trading system, what is telling us right now. Market looks bullish, but this is last hope for the Bitcoin. If we're gonna fall for Bitcoin and for Ethereum as well, if we're gonna fall, then we have a really more way to go lower. So thank you for watching. For each one of you who already subscribed to the channel, this is a really great thing, and thank you so much. See you in the next, and bye.